Hi and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to pair the Sony XM4 headphones with the new LG Smart TV. So let's get started with the TV. Grab your remote and press the settings button. Go down the list on the left hand side to sound out. It's currently on the first option, which is TV speaker. Press the arrow to the right. We have Bluetooth device and device list below it. Click on device list. The TV is now in the Bluetooth device menu and it's looking for a Bluetooth device to pair with. So grab your headphones and just at the bottom we have a power button and we want to press and hold that for 7 seconds to make these headphones discoverable. And as you can see on screen, it's located the XM4s. So I shall now press OK. It says connecting. And at the bottom of the screen, it says they are connected. Now, if you want to disconnect, simply click again and go to disconnect. If you want to remove the device entirely, click on your device and go to delete device. And that's how you connect your Sony XM4 headphones to the LG Smart TV. I hope that's been useful to you. If it has, really appreciate a quick thumbs up. Thank you very much for choosing my video and I wish you a great day ahead.